Ayan guys, kaya naghanap ko. Akitin ko lang. Kaya naglalabas na tayo. Johan, tara.
Nabukas na. Yung
Bukas tayo.
light lang. Light lang. They tried to make the campfire.
Ano ba yan? Dahil mga bato nasa ibabaw ng ano? Kami kayo na, no? Nantok pa naman ako. Yan ang sasabi ko, kaya mo hinanap, balik ko. Balik mo yan. Yan na kami yan tama sa sukat, no?
Wala ko to.
Drawing, but I have to know every mark yourself. I have all these different sizes. Like, I'm supposed to find this jumbo one and this weird shaped one. Okay, here's the challenge. Number one, I have to use every size at least once. Number two, I'm not allowed to use
Tamang
any
ano lang
other
yung papabukas.
Number three, I have to cover up most of the cameras. Alright, now let the challenge begin. What color should I do next?